Hello, good morning. This is just a very quick one to say thank you to and for the ABR Festival. Good morning and welcome. My name's RichyVida. Thank you very much for being here. As I said there on the intro, this one is just a very quick one to say thank you to and for the ABR Festival. Wow, what an amazing weekend we've had. Fresh back yesterday and I'm still a bit discombobulated. We've had a lot of booze, a lot of laughs, and it's been absolutely fantastic. Could not have wished for better weather. It's been truly fantastic. Thank you very much to everybody that called to say hello or stopped me to say hello. We had an absolutely brilliant time. Thank you to those that came to listen to me talk on the campfire stage with Simon and Lisa Thomas. Thank you to Simon and Lisa Thomas too. We had a good laugh. And thanks to everyone that came to the pub quiz hosted by myself, TMF and Teapot One. I really enjoyed that. We had a bloody good laugh at that, definitely. But yeah, really, to everyone that stopped and said hello and asked for pictures, you know, honestly, it's my pleasure, so thank you very much. I'm on board the beautiful Triumph Street Triple RS. Oh, it's stunning. Or to use the words of my daughter, when she saw it, she said, "Oh daddy, it's beautiful." It really is. Sounds, looks and goes beautifully. What an amazing machine. More to come on this on a different video. Yeah, this one's just to basically talk about the ABR Festival. Great bands. Oh, thank you to Oasis. Not very often you can say you played piano for Oasis. Okay, it might have been a tribute band to Oasis, but nevertheless, thanks to those guys from Definitely Might Be for having me play piano on Don't Look Back in Anger. Loved it. Thank you very much, guys. There's so many things to see and do, and I will 100% be going back next year, and I hope you will as well, because it's bloody brilliant. 12,000 people this year. Oh, what a good bike this is. What a bloody good bike this is. Did the trail on the new V-Strom. Coped quite well indeed with that. We also got the Big Little Adventure boys back together for a little segment around the trail on the Sinis Terrain 125s, all three of us, and as you can imagine, we laughed like little girls, just like we did on the Big Little Adventure. More to come on that soon as well. There'll be a snippet, in fact I'm editing it at the moment, of said Big Little Adventure on the Sinis at ABR, coming soon. But also we're going to be doing another actual series for you, because we bloody loved it, and it only reaffirmed how much we loved it by doing what we did on Saturday morning. And apparently one of us broke one of the bikes. Whoops. Answers down below. Who do you think it was? Myself, Fish or Bruce? Had such a great time, honestly, this weekend. Thank you to Latitude Tents, Roof Tents, for loaning me a roof tent for the truck for the weekend. Fitted it when I arrived and removed it when we left. They are really nice tents, really nice tents. Perfectly comfortable. You've got like 360-degree fly screens, so you can have all your windows wide open, your fly screens up, so the air's just blowing straight through. You've got two big skylights across the roof, so that's completely open. It's just so airy and lovely, not at all stuffy. I mean, this weekend the temperature's been like 28 degrees. Everybody's been baking. We're all sunburnt. So yeah, thank you to Charlie from Latitude Tents for hooking me up. What a lovely guy. And I did actually film a bit about the tents, inside the tents. Having looked at it, there's no audio, so I might end up going back down to see them at their HQ, just so I can show you again properly. We had Dave from Wheelie Good TV with us all weekend, Billy from Billy's Bike Adventures, TMF, Bruce, Mr. Fish, Hippodrones, Revolution, Sam V Bikes, plus all those that you'd expect to be there. It really is a great weekend. And someone asked me, do you need to have a bike to go to this? I'm like, no, of course you don't. Most people are turning up in caravans and camper vans, things like that. There's everything you could wish for there. Itchy Boots were there. Never got a chance to actually meet her, but I saw her. It was nice to chat to Sean and Faye from Tins on Tour. Had a good laugh with them. And now ABR's out of the way, it's time for a last push for the weekender, for our weekender, the end of July. The last time I mentioned it, we had a big influx of ticket sales, so if you do want to come, you've got a month basically to get your tickets. It's in Newark at the brand new venue, which is stunning. There's going to be loads of food being served all weekend from start to finish, and you pay as you go with that. Just help yourself as and when you want something, just like you would at any festival. We've got a beautiful VFR 800 up for grabs as a raffle prize. There's going to be loads more prizes. Fuel exhausts are coming, and I believe giving an exhaust away, plus all the usual things you'd come to expect from a Wildbad Weekender. wildbadweekender.com if you want to grip your tickets. Get your mates, come along for one last hurrah. Now the ABR's out of the way, if you start having some withdrawals from the ABR and you want to get together again with a load of bikers and have a great laugh, a great booze, come and join us. It's Friday the 28th and Saturday the 29th of July. There'll be a big group ride on the Friday morning, meeting location to be announced. The format will be very similar, so we've got the stage, we've got bands, going to do like a Q&A thing in the marquee with the stage. It's camping, we have got camper van pictures, but yes, this last month, I can't believe where the year's gone, to be honest. Can't believe it. I think it's about 5 weeks we've got left before it's our time for the Wildbad Weekender. I just can't wait for you to see this new venue. It's brilliant. Those that have already got the tickets, the Wildbad Weekender t-shirts are imminent. In fact, Roger surprised me with one at the ABR festival. Looked really cool as well. We went for black this year to match our slimming figures. Oh, this bike is beautiful. Anyway, that's enough rambling for a short video. It's just as a massive thank you to everyone and all involved at the ABR festival. 100% I will be back next year, and I hope you will too. And I hope to see some of you for a last hurrah at the Wildbad Weekender at the end of July. Thanks very much, everybody. Take care, be good, be careful, and be bloody kind. See you soon.